Pulling out the coupe at the lot.
Yo, what is up, you guys? Chase pulling up on your screen. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Chase Chops, and you guys would please go hit that subscribe button, join the family, chase it every single day. You already know what we do. I got this bad pimple right here, and it's very, very annoying. And I've already popped it, but today we're gonna be going out with Dante and his girlfriend. We're gonna go to South State right now. I don't really know what else we would have planned for the day, but we're gonna go hang out with them. I'm gonna bring literally my backpack and everything. I'm gonna bring like my drawing stuff, probably my laptop, maybe, I don't know. Ooh, what I might do is bring my speaker out. So I'm gonna plug that thing in right now and get a full charge on her. If you guys are looking for a really good speaker, hit your boy up. I'm trying to sell this, honestly. The Soundcore, it's a very nice speaker, but there's always one problem with it that I see, and that would have to be it's so big and so heavy. Like, it gets pretty light after a while. It's about, I would have to say, around 50 pounds, around 40 pounds at least. But yeah, that thing is crazy. But yeah, today, guys, we're gonna be doing something different. Hopefully going out, doing some things, hanging out with people. I'm gonna bring an iPhone charger just in case. And this battery's about to die, so I need to plug this in and make sure I have my other battery ready. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys when we're out of the house. So let's get it. Alright, guys, we are at the beach right now, and I did not want to get all the way in the water, so I'm just chilling. I think, yeah, they're coming back right now. They were just having a war, literally, like where you get on top of each other and try to push each other off, whatever that's called. But yeah, I'm chilling. Got a spot. There's a bunch of people out here. For real though. Look at this kid. They went all the way underneath the water. That stuff's like cold, guys. There's so many people out here. Look at this. Crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll get back with you in a little bit, but we're chilling. So I'll see you guys in a minute. We out here. Yo, Dante. That's it. Alright.
Yeah.
Dang, I'm gonna forget my hat too. Nope. Oh.
Logan.
Who you think you're gonna win? Did you just throw that in there? Dang! No, you ain't. I'm gonna win, guys. Watch this. Here, you know, it's a little close though. Alright. I won at the. I definitely won at the go-karts.
Are you fucking ready, dude?
Yep.
Here I go.
Ready? You gotta try to hit one. Ready? Get closer. It's not gonna hit you.
I ain't worried about it hitting
No. How much? Oh, you paid. 62 miles per hour.
Hit it right when it comes out.
Oh! You nicked it. You guys picked that? I think that's out. Yeah. Wear a helmet. No helmet. Still. There you go. Man, you hit them things high. What the? Oh my god, this is funny. Funny. Alright guys, so it is the next day and I realized I did not even post the 9th. So that means I broke the record of posting every single day. Now, you know, I'm just gonna say this. It's like super early in the morning right now. I could not go to bed. You guys don't even want to know why, but like, look at my arm, okay? And just, I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but I literally have sunburn so bad. I got some on my chest here, and my back is completely burnt. As you guys can probably see that. Yeah, my back is completely burnt. I was gonna post a video, but I'm telling you, I got home and I passed out, and then I wake up super early in the morning and I couldn't go back to bed. And then I put icy hot on my skin and all my sunburn. That was not a good idea. I ended up taking a shower at like 4 o'clock in the morning this morning. It's about 7 o'clock right now already. And I'm usually not awake at this time. But, you know, we went to the beach yesterday and we were out there for like a good minute. I shouldn't have stayed out there that long, and I should not go out there with no sunscreen. That was not the right thing for me to do at all. And we were out there, I was sitting in the sun for like a good hour or two. At one point I literally sat in the shade because I knew I was gonna be burnt. I was like, dude, this is gonna be bad when I get home. But I got a thing of aloe over at the cabin that I need to go get. And I'm sitting here just like really badly wanting to go get that right now. So I think I'm gonna do that here early in the morning so I can put some on my skin. I got a big tub of aloe and that stuff needs to go on my I'll tell you what, my shoulders, they don't feel good at all. Having the shirt on kind of hurts, but this, when I had the icy hot on it, it was burning my skin so bad, and I just couldn't believe it. But yeah guys, anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I'm sorry for not posting one day. That means I won't have a video the 9th. I will have a video the 10th though. I'm still gonna keep up with the videos, you know, because I am posting, but the videos have been getting kind of boring, so I think it's okay that that happened. But now, since I actually went somewhere and did something, hopefully, you know, it's a decent video. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get out of here, start editing this video. I might have that video from the 9th and I might just scrap it because I don't think it was really gonna be anything cool. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys aren't already subscribed, please go hit that subscribe button, join the family, chase it every single day. And yeah, this is Chase, and I'm signing out. Peace.